Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will learn some more important program, that is to check whether the given matrix is diagonal matrix or not. So yeah, this is the program for that. So we'll see the line by line explanation for this. So here import java.util.scanner. So like it import the scanner class from java's utility package to ensure user input from the console. So here public class diagonal matrix check. So describes a class, public class named as a diagonal matrix check. So every Java program must be inside the class, right? So here public static void main string array args. This is the main method and it is the entry point of Java program. So here scanner equal to new scanner of system.in. So creates a scanner object named scanner. So to read input like from the user via the keyboard. So here input matrix size here. So system.out.printf enter number of rows and calls. Matrix must be square here. So like it prompts the user to enter the size of the square matrix. So here int n equal to scanner.nextInt of. So here reads an integer value from the user and stores it in variable n. So which represents both rows and columns here. So int matrix equal to new int of n. So it declares a 2D array named matrix. So of size n into n, that is n by n, to hold the matrix elements here. So here input matrix elements system.out.println of enter the elements of the matrix. So for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Same j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. Matrix of ij equal to scanner.nextInt of here. So first system.out.println of enter the elements of the matrix here. So prints a prompt message to let the user know that they can know input matrix values. So this is the nested for loop, right? So this it uses the nested for loop to fill the matrix with the values entered by the user. So like outer loop for rows of I. So inner loop for columns j. So each matrix ij is setting using scanner.nextInt of here. And here print the enter the matrix here. So it prints a label before displaying the matrix here. For that we are using one more nested for loop here. So this is for like checking if the matrix is diagonal. So here for int I equal to 0, I less than n, and so first boolean is diagonal equal to true, right? So it declares a boolean flag is diagonal here, because and sets it to true here. So because it will be used to track if the matrix is diagonal here. So here one more nested for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, and is diagonal, I plus plus here. So this code checks like this few lines will check the if the matrix is diagonal or not. So here loop through every element here. If the element is not on the main diagonal, that is I not equal to j and is not 0 here, so it is not a diagonal matrix, right? So that's why here is diagonal equal to false. We set to false and loop breaks early here. That's why we are using is diagonal equal to false break here. So yeah, if is diagonal of system.out.println of the matrix is diagonal, else the matrix is not diagonal, scanner.close off. So yeah, it first is diagonal is like printing the final result based on the value of the matrix, that is diagonal, that we given before. So here scanner.close off. So it closes the scanner to free system resources. So it's a good practice. So yeah, like that. So first the program is like first we enter the number of rows and columns. So like matrix must be in square matrix, that is nothing but like 2 by 2, 3 by 3 are like the same. So that is nothing but the square matrix. So and then we enter the like enter the elements of the matrix. So then it the enter matrix like is like that, we printed the matrix here, and then it checks the diagonal or not here. So if it is diagonal, it will print the matrix is diagonal. Otherwise, it will print the matrix is not diagonal. So yeah, like that. First, I will give you what is diagonal matrix. So the diagonal matrix is like it's a diagonal matrix. Like if it is a square matrix in which all the elements outside the main diagonal are zero. So elements on the main diagonal can be of any number. So yeah, like that. So if it is a diagonal matrix, it will satisfy all the conditions. Like it must be a square matrix. That is nothing but like same number of rows and same number of columns. And all diagonal elements, that is elements where row is not equal to column, must be zero. So diagonal elements where row equal to column can be any number, including zero also. So that is nothing but diagonal matrix. So wait, I will show you what is diagonal. So yeah, this is nothing but the diagonal matrix. So now we will save the program. We'll see what the output is. So here enter the number of rows and calls. That is matrix must be in square matrix. So I will give a 3 by 3 matrix. So here enter the elements of the matrix. So I will give 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 4. So yeah, the matrix is like that. So first I enter the 0, 2, and then 0, and then 0, and then 0, and then 3, then 0, then 0, then 0, then 4. So yeah, this is the diagonal matrix. So this is the diagonal matrix, right? So it will print the matrix is the diagonal matrix. Yeah, I hope you like the video. Please share, like, and subscribe, comment.